Hello again, welcome to my channel, Lucky Bamboo. Today we're going to do a very simple recipe and a very delicious recipe, stir fry chayote with beef. Stir fry chayote with beef. This is a chayote. A chayote is a form of it's a squash family. But it's very delicious. If you cook it right, it's very crunchy and sweet. I think it's better than a squash, but that's from a squash family, a gourd or squash family called. This is a chayote. So what you need to do first is I got four of them already. I got four chayote and I got about a pound of. I already cut up the beef already. A pound of beef and four of this chayote, which I already chop up already, but I have one. I'm going to show you how to peel it and cut it up. So first of all, just remove the skin. So take a vegetable peeler, just peel off the skin. The skin is, you don't want to eat the skin, it's really vegetable peeler, just peel off the skin. This is simple that you can, it's pretty healthy too. This chayote is very sweet and it's very crunchy. So, okay, remove that, make sure you get all the skin out. And it's pretty slimy, it's like, feel like you slimy and gluey. But so just cut it like this, slice it like that into well, there's a seed in the middle right there, but it's not a hard seed, pretty soft seed, but try to remove it out. Okay, and just put it like that, and you just cut it like that. Okay, so simple. This vegetable somehow is really sweet and crunchy. You might like it if you try this. Okay. Don't take the seed. Try to see the seed right here, right in the middle, right there. Check it out. Well, you probably can eat the seed too because it's so soft. It's not hard seed yet, but try to remove it out. Okay, this is right here. It's already chopped up for chayote, and next thing we do is the beef. Let's marinate the beef. Usually, when you marinate the beef, put some cornstarch in there. Teaspoon of cornstarch in there. Alright, soy sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, not too much, and a little bit of ground pepper. Just marinate it. Just marinate for a couple minutes. The reason you do that, you want to tenderize the beef with the cornstarch and okay, after you marinate the beef for a couple minutes, let's start cooking. Put a couple teaspoon of oil. Stir fry the beef. Well, you want to cook the beef first. You cook the beef until it's about 3/4 way done, and then you remove it, and then you stir fry the chayote. Alright, let's remove the beef. You don't have to cook all the way through, just by 3/4. Alright, couple more teaspoons of oil. Okay, put a little bit of this chopped garlic in the bottle already. I mean, in a jar already. Just half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon of that. You want to cook the garlic down a little bit, just maybe a couple of 20 seconds or so. Just get that rawness out of it before you put the chayote in. I put the chayote in. Chayote. Okay. Alright, now put some soy sauce, maybe 2 teaspoons of soy sauce in there. That's good. Some ground-up pepper. That's good. A little bit of garlic salt. Not too much. See, the trick to cooking this, you don't want to overcook the chayote. Don't overcook it. Just if you overcook it, it's not crunchy enough. Toss in a little bit of this granulated chicken flavor soup base or chicken bouillon for flavor. Just a little bit of that, not too much. Now before the chayote almost cooked, and then you toss in the beef back. It tastes a little bit, so not salt in it. You can use a little bit more salt. Put a little bit of garlic salt. Taste as you go. Okay, I think it's almost done now, and now throw in back the beef. Right. Yeah, that's it. It's done. Just turn off the thing, turn off the stove, and let's plate it up. Yep, this is the final. This is the final product. Stir fry chayote with beef. This is very delicious. I hope you try this recipe, and it's very simple. And so, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.